So here's your step-by-step guide on your lip and chin wax. Listen, vellus hair is so normal on the face, but if you are a woman that suffers with darker, thicker hair on the face, we've got you and I've got you step by step in how to remove and not go around feeling any more embarrassment for it. Hi guys, my name's Becky and I am a licensed esthetician. I am somebody who's here to help you with your waxing journey. So for starters, you want to get your pre-wax spray. Remember, like always, we're going to make sure that the area is nice and clean from any oils, makeup, or any just natural dirt and grime that's on the face. So we're going to cleanse the lip and the chin. We're going to include the underneath bit as well. And I'll tell you why this is important. There is lots of women out there that have PCOS, which is polycystic ovaries if you've not heard of it. And hair, as we get older and hormones affect us, we can get these darker hairs that are just really annoying little ones that grow underneath here. So why just include the front of the chin if we can come underneath too? So we're going to make sure that we remove them hairs as well. So now we've cleansed the area. So you want to have your smaller spatula first. You're going to go and apply some hot wax onto the end. Twizzle, twizzle. We're going to go into the cupid's bow first. So we're going to come here and start applying downwards beyond wherever the last hair is. Putting pressure on, coming back and forwards, applying it so it covers all of them little hairs. Don't be afraid to apply over the lip line. If you are someone that suffers with dry skin or you have cracked dry lips, just pop a little bit of your after wax oil onto the lips as a barrier to stop it from pulling at the dry skin. Once it is set, which it will set quite quickly, you'll know by tapping onto the wax as long as nothing's stuck on you and you're ready to then remove. You want to stretch from the corner here, flick for your handle and pull parallel quickly along the lip line. Place your hand straight after to remove any of that sting that you got on the skin and you'll see all of the little baby hairs are removed. You're going to repeat the same step from the cupid's bow going back down onto the other side. We're going to use a smaller spatula again. We're going to come and get our wax, joining it on the cupid's bow again, making sure that we go right along to wherever the last hair is. It's very common to find hairs in the corner of the lip, so if you have to come right down, don't be afraid to come down with your wax further. Again, making sure that it sets nice and easy to the skin by pushing in and making sure it grabs all them little hairs. You're then ready to stretch. Get your handle. Once you have your handle, pull parallel along the lip line, hand placement. Straight away, all of the hair is removed and the lip is lovely and finished. So moving on to the chin area, you want to then swap to your larger spatulas. You're going to go and get the hot wax. We're going to start with the hair that grows underneath first. So thumb and finger, twizzle, twizzle. We're going to go from underneath here. Now, obviously, if you have more hair, you may feel the need to then add more to your spatula. You're going to go down to beyond wherever the last hair is. You're going to break this down into two sections. You may feel that doing one side first, remove, and then do the other side of the chin is easy. Or if you're someone that's just got the odd few, just go straight down the center and do it in one strip. When it's set and it's ready, you want to stretch and pull, but remember you don't want to choke yourself by stretching and putting pressure here in the middle of the throat. Move your hand to the side just to support the skin while you pick up your handle. Once you've got your handle, you want to pull to underneath the chin. Once you're underneath, you can then put your stretching hand further up and then go round the chin bend. Hand placement to make sure that you get rid of that stingness that goes on the skin afterwards. You might find a little bit of redness or warmth. Remember, that's completely normal after waxing. Once you've done both sides, we're ready to then move on to the front of the chin. The front of the chin, you want to then get a large spatula again, add wax on, and you're going over like a chin guard. So the best way I can describe it is you're covering the whole front area of the chin underneath the lip and over from side to side across the bend of the chin, making yourself what I describe as a chin guard. It goes right across. However you are pulling the hair towards, you are going to then go the opposite direction to pull against. So if I've applied this way, I'm going to pull that way against. If I come this way, I pull that way against. Once it's set, I stretch the skin to support, get my handle and pull parallel to the body. Hand placement to take away any sting, and that's your wax done.